My name is Beersnitz. Can I have a waterboard, G-Man?
That's ridiculously fucking large.
Dude, I can see. I'll be able to see.
The fact that you have a small cock.
There it is, right there.
Really? Dude, I'm so shaky.
Are you shaking bad, Chris?
Oh my god, that's so sweaty. Oh my god!
He can walk? Close to your ass, Chris.
Good job.
Oh my god. What do you get for bud?
Oh my.
There's not even any darts.
Shut up, Ghost Rider.
I actually think I had one of these.
Well, I have one too. You gave me one of those, but it was blue.
Did I? Yeah. Okay, that makes sense.
This is for taking my land, Commie.
Looks like a Reaper gun.
Say Joy Lane!
I don't know her.
It's like.
Alright, understandable. Yeah, have a good day.
Do you have ADHD, Jacob? Do you have ADHD or something? You know what's the difference between you and I, Jacob? People laugh at my jokes! I'm actually funny!
That's fine.
Maybe we should have Jacob react to the Sex Offender Shuffle too. Then you
Again?
Then you get the 10K views.
That one didn't even get 10K. It got to 6,000 or something, I think.
Why the fuck? Nice, Chris.
So Chris, how far is your sister shove that camera up her clit?
Upper clip?
Up?
That's
What
not
the
how that
fuck?
works.
Well, I don't know. You put the 3-finger salute.
What
as you
is that
talk, and you
lens?
just go, ah! Ride the lightning.
What the fuck?
Would you shove it up your ass?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Traffic violation in Detroit, okay? Boom!
Do you fucking hear that?
I have to put it inside directly.
There's instructions right there, Chris.
It's right there, right there.
Why don't we look at the instructions? Okay.
There you go, Chris.
That's disgusting.
That's Chris's dick.
Are you a fucking wolf?
I want to make werewolf movies.
Oh my god.
Well, that's none of my business.
Alright.
But that's none of my business.
Wait, did you say that's none of your business?
That's none of my business.
Okay, yeah, you gotta sip your iced tea then.
Do you think you're some kind of
Meme lord? I am.
You're what?
I'm a meme lord.
So did you
Send this to Skylar, okay?
Ralph.
Oh, yeah.
Growlf.
Oh, I just have to think who's the one who moved it.
John.
The lens in there, the $160.
J-Max, come on.
The flash in there is $99.
J-Max, come on.
And the two other macro and ultra wide lenses are together $200. Can I ask you something? When's the last time you used your back camera?
Is that Anthony Fantano?
Internet's busiest music man?
Oh god. Can I have your.
What?
What the hell did I do? I just crumped. I can't crump.
Kill.
I can't. Shit.
Nice.
I crumped. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Is this how abusive you are to fucking Penny?
What, my fidget spinner?
Why?
Hey, this country, they eat me alive.
Oh my fucking god.
What's this? What's a box of emotions?
I really can't wait to just watch the fucking movie.
Jesus.
Okay. Kerosene box with sauce.
Hey, Frisbee.
This one's at number 4, I believe.
Number 4.
This is the Curiosity Box Weekly. This always comes in the Curiosity Box. Okay. This one is a Vsauce exclusive shirt. Actually,
Vsauce.
You're gonna wear the shirt.
well, that's just geometry, right? How do I look?
You gonna wear that to the theater? You should.
I think you should. That's
Oh, slime! Look at that, Vsauce. There we go.
So this is how far we've gotten. We started the print 4 hours, almost 5 hours ago, actually. So we went to Chris's house and did some extra shit. Yeah, this is really slow.
For a 3D printer, it isn't that slow.
I'm playing Roblox.
I'm setting my count.
It's getting there. We made it to 5 hours.
Remember what it estimated that it would be done in an hour and 45 minutes?
Imagine if we
That is gorgeous.
I think it's supposed to be that corner right there.
Yeah, that's the
Here, let me try. Let me try. There you go. Oh,
It's out.
Okay.
Alright, let's get all the columns off.
Is it optical illusion?
I see it.
Do you sort of see it?
where it's cubes.
It's supposed to look like cubes.
Yeah, I see that. I see that.
Hey guys, Crisscross here. And we just saw Going to Galaxy 2. Great movie, great movie. Great movie, I loved it.
It's 11:23 at night,
Yes, it is. It definitely is.
and he's dancing around.
The electric room.
Definitely 11:23.
Yep.
Yeah.
11:23.
Chris was shaking for like an hour in the
He
theater.
was.
Like when there was the whole fight scene, I could see him rocking back and forth and like looking at us to see her reaction. It was so
Infinity War. Adam Warlock.
You alright?
No, he's not.
I actually think he's good.
I had so much sugar just now. Whoa!
This is what happens when you're on the when
Yeah.
you're dark red on the autistic spectrum.
I'm off the spectrum, dude.